Good morning, guys. So, I just woke up. I'm sick, so this is why my voice sounds like this. But I decided to start vlogging because I have nothing else to do. My life has been kind of exciting recently. So, we're going to vlog, and I hope you guys enjoy my vlogs. Because, yeah, I don't know. But today should be a very eventful day, kind of. So I decided to vlog today. I'm also going to do a quick little get ready with me later. So, this my bun is so cute. It's my favorite color. I'm a bad bitch. Fuck the bitch.
You're not that cute.
I'm bad as fuck. I also started a new skincare routine, so it's going pretty well so far. So, ew, can I zoom in? Y'all see that? My skin looks good. It's not like glowing right now because I need to moisturize.
I just woke up.
Yeah, I just woke up. My skin's a little matte. But y'all see that? Oh, and I'm also going to do like a life update during like the get ready with me. So it's gonna be like a chit chat, get ready with me, life update vlog thing. Yeah. I think I might just make that into a whole separate video actually, because I feel like that's a lot going on in one video. So that's gonna be the next video actually. So stay tuned for that. So I finished getting ready. I didn't film a get ready with me just cause I couldn't figure out like a good setup for a get ready with me, but I'm gonna do it. It's gonna be the next video, I promise you guys, because I'm gonna do like a life update type thing. But I took my hair out the braids and I don't like it. I feel like it looks so bad. I don't know, maybe it's just me, but I feel like my hair is too short for this, and like since I did a braid out and my hair is not like completely curly, the ends of it are straight, so it just looks like I have like heat damage or something. I don't know, but I don't like it. No me gusta. But yeah, so me and my brother are just gonna run some errands and whatnot. Probably gonna go to Best Buy and see if I could find a vlogging camera, because this no screen thing, it's not gonna work out. Like I need a mirror or like something so I can see myself, because I can't do this and not be able to see myself, because I might not even be in frame. Only reason why I can see myself right now is because the mirror's behind me. But yeah, let me know what you guys think about my hair. I really don't like the way it looks. It looked really dry, so I added some oil to it, and now I feel like some pieces look too oily, and like I said, the bottom is like straight, so I don't like the way that looks either. This is an issue. It's like anyone that knows my hair knows that the front of my hair is curly and the back is like straight. So like this having multiple textures in my hair thing is not working out. I was hoping that cutting it would like help it curl in the back. I thought fucking wrong. Okay, so we just left Best Buy. I was looking at the Canon PowerShot SX 740 and it was $700, wow, $400 for just the camera and the battery pack, and then like the little string that like you attach to your wrist or whatever. But I was checking online and Walmart has the same exact camera for like, it's still $400, but they have the same camera with the battery pack, 2 memory cards, a case for the camera, and a bunch of other shit. So like we're gonna check Walmart now because it's like right next to Best Buy, and we're gonna see if they have it. If not, I'm probably just gonna like order it, because like why would I buy a camera for $400 when Walmart has the same exact camera and some for the same price? Like what? So yeah, I'm gonna do that. There's parking right here. Okay, so I'm not bringing you guys into the stores because this camera's huge and like I don't want to do all that and like be extra. So I'm just going to leave the camera in the car and I'll update you guys when I get back. Guys, I bought the camera. I'm using it right now. It's like a few hours later from the last clip, but it's okay. But I have to think about it. And I decided to just go for it and buy it. So that's what I did. So let me know how you like the quality. I really like it. It looks so good. I'm eating KFC right now. My friend Bridget is gonna come over in a few, and we're gonna wash our cars. So I'll take you guys along with me. Other thing is I forgot to buy a case for the camera, so I need to do that. I think I might just get one at like Walmart or something. Like $5. Just to have something. Oh my god. Is it out of focus? How do I fix it? Oh, does it autofocus? I think it does. But yeah. I'm going to see you guys in the next clip. I'm gonna eat. And I'll be back. My bitch is here. You better wash our cars. Ew. Ew. Ooh, ladies, good. Say hi, Bridget. She wants to be in the vlog. Ew. We are going to the diner to eat. We were supposed to wash our cars. We got too lazy and it's hot. The sun was out.
But your car's not hot, so it's good.
So we're just gonna eat and then come back and wash our cars since the sun's not out anymore. There's my brother.
Diablo, coño, qué fea estás tú.
I'm cute, bitch. Fuck
No, porque
you.
ella se está muriendo del hambre.
So yeah, we're
Coño,
going
hasta la brisa está caliente.
to the diner. I don't know what I want to eat, but I'm hungry. I'm eating. Oh, look at the shit stain. Look at the shit.
Mojonazo, coño.
Este mojón. Good morning, guys. So it is the next day, and we are going to the beach. So I decided to bring you guys along with me because it should be fun. It's about to be a movie. Should be, hopefully, according to my brother. Why are you giving me that face all yesterday? You was like, oh, it's gonna be a movie.
Wasn't gonna be, oh, it's not gonna be a regular beach day.
Yeah, because it's the
Now
beach. How much fun can you have at the beach? Like, there's only so much fun you can have at the beach. But it should be fun. We're gonna go pick up my cousins right now and get food and be out. So I'll probably see you guys at the beach.
She says she wanna dance, but she don't know how to. Whoa, I iced out, ooh, looking like a star. Whoa, her name is
We're at the
Jenny.
beach
Ooh,
now.
bitch don't have no panties. Whoa, I'm Steph Curry. When I hit the three, I hit the whoa. Lean.
Elsa.
Hit you with the.
I wish 100 degrees with a water about 6.
It does not feel like it's that bad.
This water's fucking freezing.
It's not bad.
Oh shit. Huh? Ooh, let's go. I'm gonna get even more sick. Y'all already know the fit from Fashion Nova, baby. And the t-shirt I was wearing earlier is from Walmart. $5. Still at the beach. We're gonna leave soon.
Yeah.
My hair got wet. And I did not want to get my hair wet, so I'm kind of upset. It's okay. Okay, so we've been back from the beach for a while now. I just didn't record because I was in a rush. Because once I got back, I went to go hang out. I showered, got ready, and I went to go hang out with my man. So that's that. But I think I'm going to end the vlog here. Just because I'm about to go to bed. My bitch is tired as fuck. Today was a long ass day. And I'm exhausted. So I'm just going to go to bed now. And yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. I really hope you guys enjoyed. I'm going to be making more vlogs. So I hope you guys enjoy my vlogs. Tomorrow's back to work. So back to reality. But I'll catch you guys in the next one.